Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Chat English Podcast. I am Ashley.
And I am Jack. Hi, everyone. Really glad you are here today.
So today we have a very seasonal topic, something that is very relevant right now.
Yes, we are talking about hot summer days and how to actually survive them.
Because honestly, extreme heat is no joke. It can make you feel really bad if you're not careful.
Absolutely. And I think a lot of people underestimate how much the heat affects them.
Jack, are you a summer person or do you struggle with the heat?
Honestly, I love summer. I love the long days and the sunshine. But when it gets really hot, like above 35 degrees, I really struggle.
Yes, there is a big difference between a nice warm summer day and a heat wave.
Exactly. A warm day is lovely, but 3 days above 40 degrees is a completely different story.
Have you ever experienced a really bad heat wave?
Yes. A couple of summers ago, it was incredibly hot for about 2 weeks, and I remember just feeling completely exhausted all the time.
And exhausted from heat is such a specific kind of tired. It is heavy and uncomfortable.
Yes, your whole body feels slow, you do not want to move, you cannot think clearly.
I had the same experience.
I tried to work normally, and I just could not concentrate at all.
Yes, the heat does something to your brain. Everything takes more effort.
So what do you actually do to manage on really hot days?
The first thing, and this sounds obvious, but a lot of people do not do it enough, is stay hydrated.
Yes, hydrated means your body has enough water, and in the heat, you lose water much faster than normal.
I try to drink at least 2 liters of water on a normal day, but on a really hot day, I drink even more.
And the trick is to drink before you feel thirsty, because by the time you feel thirsty, you are already a little dehydrated.
Yes, do not wait for the thirst signal. Just keep drinking throughout the day.
I also find that adding a little lemon or some fruit to the water makes it easier to drink more.
That is a good tip. Sometimes plain water feels boring and you stop drinking, but flavored water is much easier to keep going with.
Exactly. And avoid too much coffee or alcohol on hot days, because they actually dehydrate you.
Yes, I learned that the hard way. A couple of beers in the sun, and suddenly I had a terrible headache.
The classic summer mistake.
Very classic. Not my best afternoon.
Okay, everyone. Quick break. If you are enjoying this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English Podcast. It really helps us reach more people.
And if anything was unclear, just rewind and listen again. We are happy you are here.
Okay, so what else do you do on hot days?
I try to stay in the shade as much as possible, especially between 12 and 4 in the afternoon.
Yes. Shade means a place where the sun does not reach, like under a tree or an umbrella or inside a building.
And those hours in the middle of the day are the most dangerous. The sun is directly above you and the heat is at its strongest.
Yes. I try to do anything active in the morning before 10 or in the evening after 6.
That is the smart way to do it. Work with the heat, not against it.
Exactly. If you try to go for a run at 2 in the afternoon in July, you are going to have a very bad time.
Yes, I have made that mistake. It was not enjoyable at all.
What about sleeping? Do you struggle to sleep when it is very hot?
Oh, yes. Sleeping in the heat is one of the hardest things. I just lie there and I cannot cool down.
Cool down means to become less hot, and at night, it can feel impossible sometimes.
What do you do to cool down at night?
A few things. First, I take a lukewarm shower before bed. Not cold, just lukewarm.
Why not cold?
Because after a very cold shower, your body actually heats up again quickly to compensate. But lukewarm keeps you cooler for longer.
Oh, I did not know that. I always take a cold shower.
Yes, it feels better in the moment, but lukewarm is actually more effective for sleep.
I will try that tonight, actually. it has been really warm this week.
Also, I put my pillowcase in the freezer for about 10 minutes before bed.
Seriously?
Seriously, it sounds strange, but it really works. A cold pillow is amazing on a hot night.
Okay, I am definitely trying that. That is a genius idea.
And I keep the windows closed during the day when it is hotter outside than inside, and then open them at night when it cools down.
Yes. A lot of people do the opposite. They open everything during the day and let all the hot air in.
Exactly. Keep the heat out during the day and let the cool air in at night.
That makes total sense. I think I have been doing it wrong for years.
It is never too late to learn.
What about food? Do you eat differently in the heat?
Yes, definitely. I eat lighter meals. Less meat, more salads, more fruit.
Me too. The idea of a heavy pasta or a big steak in 40-degree heat does not appeal to me at all.
No. Your body is already working hard to keep you cool. You do not want to make it work harder by digesting a heavy meal.
Yes, light food, lots of water, and maybe some watermelon.
Yes, watermelon is perfect in summer. It is mostly water, so it helps you stay hydrated, and it tastes amazing cold.
I could eat watermelon every day in summer, honestly.
Same. It is one of those foods that just belongs to summer.
Okay, last thing, what about going outside? Do you have any tips for when you have to be outside in the heat?
Yes. Always wear sunscreen, a hat, and light-colored, loose clothing.
Light colors reflect the sun. Dark colors absorb it and make you feel hotter.
Exactly. And loose clothing lets air move around your body, which helps you cool down naturally.
And take breaks in the shade whenever you can. Do not push through if you start feeling dizzy or very hot.
Yes, heat exhaustion is a real thing, and it is important to listen to your body.
If you feel dizzy or your head hurts or you stop sweating, go inside immediately and drink water.
Yes, those are warning signs that your body is struggling. Do not ignore them.
Okay, let's do a quick recap of today's words.
Number 1, heat. The feeling of very high temperature.
Number 2, hydrated, when your body has enough water.
Number 3, shade. A place where the sun does not reach.
Number 4, exhausted, very, very tired, often because of heat.
And number 5, cool down. To make yourself or something less hot.
And our top tips for hot days. Drink water before you feel thirsty. Stay in the shade between 12 and 4. Take a lukewarm shower before bed. Eat light meals. And listen to your body.
Write in the comments, how do you deal with hot weather? Do you love it or hate it? Tell us in English.
We read every comment, and we love hearing from you.
If you liked this episode, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.